And welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey with Mike's Drones and More, and thanks for tuning in. So today, guys, we're going to be taking a look and checking out these cool new motors that were sent to me courtesy of HobbyMate. So these are for my new 6S build. So hold on just one second and we'll take a look at these little motors and see what they're all about. As I stated before, we're going to be checking out some new motors that were sent to me courtesy of HobbyMate, or HobbyCool. That is my sponsor. So these are 2207 1700 kV motors. So you can see they get the red top on the bottom, the black in the middle, and the blue on the bottom, which is really freaking cool. And of course you got your typical motor wires. That's what they look like from the very bottom there. You can see they've got really nice magnets, and they just are really nice. There's the windings you guys can kind of see from the middle there. Let me kind of get out of the way so you can kind of see as I turn them. But yeah, so these are going to be for my 6S build, which is really nice. So if you don't know what a 6S build is, or what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a 6S, so here is a 4S battery. Alright, so 4S is got 4 individual cells in there. You can see that, right? Okay, or like a bigger one here, this has got 4 cells in there. So a 6S then would be 2 additional cells on top of this. So it's basically, it's supposed to give you more power, obviously. It's supposed to give you longer being able to fly time, and also more agility and things of that nature, stuff like that. So that's why I'm going to be building this and checking this out. So again, check these motors out. They are really nice. Got a set of 4 of them, and they're all the same color, and they do come with your standard set of motor screws, and you get one anodized motor nut for the top, and these are all clockwise, so basically they're all going to spin the same, and you just have to program them in the BL Heli to tell it which direction to program. So that's not too bad. That's very nice. So but yeah, these are really nice motors. Can't say enough about them. Now the actual build, I'm going to be doing a drone build video, and that hopefully will be next week sometime. I'm waiting on my frame, I'm waiting on a flight controller, and I'm also waiting on ESCs and a camera. So I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what frame I'm going to be using. I'm not going to tell you anything. It's going to be a surprise. But I can tell you this, it's going to be an awesome frame. It's going to be one that I haven't used before, but is very nice frame. And I ordered it up, so it's going to be here, I believe, on Saturday. So I'll try and show you guys the drone build as I'm doing it, which I'm very excited about. And I'll do a separate video just on the frame itself, because it is an awesome frame, guys. You got to check it out. So it's really nice. So, but yeah, so I can't wait to get the build completed. So with this drone build, I'm going to be using a all-in-one flight controller. And then basically I'm just going to be using, so the flight controller is going to have the flight controller, the ESCs, the PDB, and it's going to have the pads for the ESCs. So basically all I have to do is just attach the ESCs, attach my VTX wire, and I'm good to go. And then my receiver, of course I'll be using the FR Sky receiver as well. And then the camera, I'm going to be using a micro camera on this build. And then I'm also going to be using some smaller ESCs, but they will support 6S. So that's important when you're doing a 6S build. You have to make sure that the flight controller, the ESCs, everything is compatible with 6S. So right now 6S is really huge, and that is why I am building one of these. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to get it out there and see how these motors will actually perform and do. So guys, if you liked the short little review of the HobbyCool 2207 1700 kV motors, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. If you like my channel, if you like my reviews, and if you like my FPV content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. Next to that, there's a little bell that just lets you know when I've got new videos. So I have one typically every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes I try and throw one in there in between for you guys. So that's all I've got for today. This is just a review and unboxing. I'm just going to show you the motors that I got. These are really freaking cool, but I'm going to tell you, this frame and everything, this build is going to be freaking cool. So you guys will definitely have to watch the video. Can't wait to share it with you. I'm really excited about it. I just can't wait. So it's going to be really, really cool. Special video. And this time I'll make sure that the SD card is inside of the camera, and I will make sure to make a backup of my video before I try and process anything. So, but thank you guys for all the support, all the views, and all the channels. I will leave a description down below for you guys if you're interested in these particular motors. They are really nice motors, and they are low cost. They are not super expensive like some of those motors out there, but they are just as nice as the more higher priced ones, which is really, really sweet. So thank you guys again for watching the video, and appreciate each and every one of you. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure to keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.